Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Raj and here I'm going to show you how we can create cross-platform desktop app with JavaScript. Yes, cross-platform desktop app with JavaScript. You can build a website, you can build a desktop app as well using the same technology that you use for web app. You might be curious about how we can build desktop app from the JavaScript. We can build desktop app with JavaScript using an open source framework called electronjs. We can use electronjs for creating native application with web technologies like JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Electron.js takes care of the hard part, so you can focus on the core of your application. Here is a video. You can watch this video to get more ideas about what is Electron and how it works. Electron uses Chromium and Node.js, so you can build any kind of desktop app from plain JavaScript, TypeScript, AngularJS, or reactjs. Yes, we can build and ship cross-platform app for Windows, Mac, and Linux system. So, which well-known apps are developed using electron.js? The desktop app like Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Visual Studio Code, and Slack. Yes. In addition to this, here is a list of cross-platform app developed using electron.js. In this lab, we are going to create a Windows desktop app with JavaScript using Electron. First, clone Quick Start app from Git repo, then go into the repository cd electron quick start. To install all dependencies, run npm install command, and now you can run npm start to start your app. This will run your app locally on dev server and will automatically bring up browser on your computer with a default React app. That's it. If you want to package and distribute your app to others, you need a tool. So install Electron Builder npm package. Now go to the www.electron.build and follow the quick setup guide to configure Electron in package.json to build and package your app for distribution. Finally, run command npm run dist to make your app one-click installable. Now your app is ready to install on your desktop machine. So go to your app directory and install your app from dist folder. Once the installation is completed, open your app from the Windows Start menu. Well done. Now remember, if you want to learn more about Electron, then you can visit electronjs.org or you can visit our website hashlab.in/electronjs. And that's it from the Hash Lab for this week. I will see you soon. Bye bye.